Have you ever wondered how barcodes work? Our world is virtually brimming with them. From the supermarket to your local library, these intriguing patterns of lines and spaces play an essential role in our everyday lives. They are barcodes, a brilliant method of representing data in a visual, machine-readable form. They're not just random lines, but a language that machines can understand. So gear up as we delve into the fascinating world of barcodes and unravel their mystery. In this video, we will unravel the mystery of barcodes and understand their functionality. The invention of barcodes revolutionized the way we manage and track items. Now let's take a quick trip back in time. It was the early 20th century and businesses were growing larger and more complex. As the number of products on the shelves increased, so did the need for a more efficient system to manage them. Enter barcodes. Invented by Norman Joseph Woodland and Bernard Silver in 1952, barcodes were the solution everyone was waiting for. They allowed businesses to track their inventory with ease, minimizing human error and streamlining the checkout process. Imagine a world without barcodes. It would be like trying to find a needle in a haystack every time you wanted to track a product. But with barcodes, it's as simple as a quick scan. From supermarkets to warehouses, barcodes have become an essential tool, optimizing operations across a myriad of industries. So, barcodes are not just random lines but a necessity for smooth operations in many industries. So, how do these simple lines and spaces store so much information? Well, let's dive right in and decode the mystery of barcodes. At first glance, barcodes might seem like a random collection of parallel lines of different widths, but these lines are actually a sophisticated system of data representation. Each barcode consists of a series of black bars and white spaces. The black bars absorb light, while the white spaces reflect it. Now, when a barcode scanner, which is essentially a light source and a light sensor, passes over the barcode, it measures the light that is reflected back. The scanner reads this pattern of reflected light and dark, and converts it into electrical signals. These signals are then translated into a sequence of numbers or text. The real magic lies in the unique pattern made by the black bars and white spaces. Each pattern corresponds to a specific character or number. For instance, a thin black line followed by a wide white space might represent the number 7, while a different pattern might represent the letter A. So a barcode is essentially a way of encoding information in a visual pattern that a machine can read. The beauty of this system lies in its simplicity and efficiency. It's a quick and error-free way to input data into a computer system without the need for manual entry. In essence, a barcode is just a way to encode information into a format that machines can easily read. Did you know there are different types of barcodes? That's right, not all barcodes are created equal. They generally fall into two main categories, one-dimensional or 1D and two-dimensional or 2D. Let's start with 1D barcodes. These are the ones you're probably most familiar with. They're those series of vertical lines of varying widths that you see on the back of your favorite cereal box. 1D barcodes can only hold a small amount of information, typically numbers. They're widely used in retail for product identification and pricing. Now on to 2D barcodes. These are a bit more complex, often resembling a pixelated square. Unlike 1D barcodes, 2D versions can store a whole lot more data, including text, URLs, and even images. That's why you'll often see them on tickets or in advertising, where they can link to websites or detailed product information. Whether it's on a grocery item or a concert ticket, the type of barcode used depends on the data it needs to hold. Barcodes, the unsung heroes of our everyday life. We've journeyed through a world hidden in plain sight, right beneath the lines and spaces of everyday objects. We've discovered that barcodes are not just random lines, they are a complex language of information assisting us in ways that go unnoticed. We've realized the necessity of barcodes, how they streamline processes, reduce human error, and make our lives efficient in countless ways. From tracking products worldwide to a simple grocery checkout, they're integral to our modern lifestyle. We've delved into the workings of barcodes, understanding that they're not magic, but a product of technological advancements. They communicate with scanners, translating lines into numbers that our computers comprehend. We've also explored the diversity of barcodes, each with a unique purpose, from the ubiquitous universal product code to the intricate quick response code. The next time you see a barcode, remember it's more than just lines and spaces. It's a world of information at your fingertips.